Hi there! In this video, we are going to show how to use the Product Details tabs in Flawless POS to manage every aspect of a product, from inventory. Go to Product List, select a product, and click Update Item to open the Details tabs. The Product tab is the hub where we enter SKU, vendor, designer, barcode, description, and see inventory counts like sold, on hand, in transit, allocated, on order, on memo. We can also configure the view and add tags, such as types, categories, materials, colors, internal tags, related SKUs, or related products. From the Attributes tab, you can capture detailed specs like stone, metal, pearl, watch parts, finished items, so searches, filters, and descriptions stay accurate. Enable all attributes at once, or select specific ones using Configure Default Attributes. In the Pricing tab, choose a pricing model, set costs and markups, or load preset rules. View average cost history anytime. As for components, you can define product parts, number of products, set quantities, set copy existing to duplicate components from another product, refresh costs, or create composite and assembly products. Use add from cert number to input a GIA or IGI number and automatically generate the component description and name. Apply additional components markup % if needed. In the Variants tab, open the Variant Options window. Here you can add a new option from a list of predefined attributes: metal type, item size, stone type, stone shape, or create a blank option to add your own. Images. Upload photos, videos, or 360 degrees views. Once uploaded, you can click the Edit button underneath the image to use the built-in image editor to adjust visuals contrast, brightness, filters, etc. Set an image as public, making it visible across sales channels. Tag images with other related products for better linking. Add custom tags for organization and searchability. Files and notes. Attach certificates or appraisals and keep internal notes. Notes are variant-specific, meaning they only apply to the product variation you currently have selected. Customers. Link wholesale accounts and set customer-specific pricing. Specs and tags. Record measurements, shipping sizes, and design printed tags or product cards. Sales channels. Control online visibility and enable back ordering if desired. These are all the different functionalities that are helpful when adding detailed information to your products. Thank you for watching.